Thank you so much po. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. It's an honor for me to ikwento po sa inyo, present po sa inyo what SRCI Manufacturing Company does. Dun po sa nabanggit ni Ms. Elke sa circular economy. So, SRCI is providing resource sustainability solutions para po sa mga semiconductor and electronic companies. Let me check po kung gumagana na ito. Okay, next na lang po. Okay. So this is the registered business activity po ng SRCI sa Securities and Exchange Commission. Basically, SRCI is a reclaiming precious and semi-precious metal out of scrap material. We are also producing secondary materials like yung mga aluminum, copper, stainless, and we are also providing waste and scrap management sa mga semiconductor electronic company, and we are also a DENR registered TSD facility for the treatment, storage, and disposal ng mga hazardous waste materials.